With the San Antonio Spurs and the Miami Heat both repeating as conference champions, a finals encore awaits.
This is the matchup that many NBA fans have been hoping for and waiting for.
Sports columnist Harvey Araton on the finals rematch on the New York Times Minute. This will be the Spurs' 6th trip to the NBA Finals. For the Miami Heat, it's trip number 5, but they couldn't be more different.
The Miami Heat brings star power to the NBA Finals. They have the best player in the world in LeBron James and another superstar in Dwayne Wade.
The Spurs, on the other hand, have a core of players that, while not flashy, have worked together for years. It has been an especially long year for quiet superstar Tim Duncan. Now the 38-year-old may be looking for a capstone to a Hall of Fame career.
For Tim Duncan, this might be the last opportunity for him to win a 5th championship that eluded him last season.
It's back-to-back titles for the Heat.
For the Miami Heat, the Big Three is on the verge of NBA history.
The prize Three-Peat, which hasn't been done since the early part of the 2000s, when Kobe Bryant, Shaquille O'Neal, and Coach Phil Jackson accomplished it in Los Angeles with the Lakers.
But win or lose, will the triumvirate stay together? All three have opt-out options in their contracts, so all or none could be testing the free agent waters this summer.